Welcome to this evening sunset yoga flow from the coast in Peru. This practice is for you to relax, to release all tension from your muscles and from your mind, and to connect with the earth, connecting with the elements, the water, the fire, the air, grounding yourself as well through the supporting energy of the earth. This is one of my favorite practices that I have recorded yet, and I'm so grateful to be sharing it with you from this special place in Punta Hermosa. Enjoy the sounds of the ocean as well. So we're just gonna start now sitting on the mat in a comfortable position. You can sit on your heels or you can sit on your sit bones. And first, just taking a few deep and conscious breaths, connecting with your breath, connecting with here and now. Setting your intention for this practice. Then with the next inhale, open and lifting your arms up, stretch up. And then with your hands together, interlace the fingers, just move from right and then to left. Just to stretch your side body a little bit. Open up to the sky and let go. From here we're gonna move straight to child's pose. You can keep your knees open and just relax here, keeping your head down on the mat, feeling the support of earth underneath you. With the next inhale, lifting your right arm up and then moving it all the way to the back. And exhale back to the front and stretch. Now the left arm all the way to the back and twist to the left. Exhale and front. One more time like this. Inhale, right arm goes to the back and twist. Come back to the center. Inhale, left arm goes back. Exhale and back to front. Now lift your hips up, go on your hands and knees. Inhale. Exhale, bend your elbows down, going on your belly. Inhale up to cobra, open up. And exhale back to child's pose. We're gonna keep moving like this, warming up the spine. Again, bend your elbows going down. Lifting up, remember keep your shoulders down away from the ears. And exhale, hips back to child's pose again. Inhale back to front. Exhale, bend the elbows, elbows pointing back. Engage your glutes, open up to the sky, pushing up. And exhale, your hips go to child's pose, stretch. Inhale front, exhale bend. Inhale lift up, open up. Now you can even lift your thighs off the mat, open. And now with the exhale, downward dog. Stretch your body, stretch your legs, stretch your spine. Move your knees side to side. Relax. Keep breathing deeply. And with the next inhale, slowly move to the front, little steps to the front. Inhale halfway straight in the back. Exhale, go down. Forward fold. Again, just bending one knee at a time. Make yourself comfortable here. And if you want, you can grab your elbows, just swinging your upper body side to side. And let go. From here, slowly, just open your legs a little bit wider, heels towards each other, toes away, and going down to Malasana, yogic squat. So opening your knees on both sides, keeping your spine straight. And here, if it's not comfortable for you, maybe you can keep your hands down, just trying to lower your hips a little bit. Whatever feels good here. This is a lovely releasing posture, hip opening posture. Release all that stress down. And hands back down on the floor. And from here, just step straight to downward dog. Stretching your whole body here. Inhale, moving to plank. Exhale, going down. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra, open up. And exhale, lifting the hips up to downward dog. Stretch here and breathe. Next, inhale, bending the right leg and bringing the foot forward. Stay here in the low lunge. Move your body weight a little bit side to side or forward and back. Feel the stretch here in the legs. And now twisting up to your right side, lifting your right arm up. Stay with your left hand down, open. Exhale, stretch to front. Hands back down on the mat, leaving your left leg down as well. Open the right hip. Now we're gonna go to a lizard pose, so you can stay here or you can go lower on your forearms. Just remember not to roll your back too much, so whatever feels better for you, just so you can feel the stretch but also relax. Not pushing yourself. Having love and having patience. Next, inhale, gently lifting up, bringing your right foot more to the center, lifting your whole upper body and opening your arms like beautiful wings of an angel. Inhale, lift your arms up to the sky, and exhale, open your arms to both sides, pushing your chest forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, now release, bring your hands down on the mat. And now you're gonna push your hips to the back. Keep your left knee bent, keep your right leg straight. So the left heel is outside, it's not underneath your glute, it's just outside, next to your left glute here. And you can stay on your hands, you can lower on your forearms, or you can go even deeper and just go to lying down on your back. This is pretty intense stretch for your left quadricep and for your left knee, so just make sure you're not pushing yourself too much. Keep breathing, feel the space in your belly, in your ribs, in your chest. From here, slowly lifting your body up, move your body forward and stay on your right foot, and lifting your left leg off the mat. Stay on your hands, the hands are supporting you as well. So this is our standing splits. Lift the left leg back, keep it straight, keep it pointed, and exhale, go down. Inhale halfway, exhale forward fold, stepping to plank. Exhale, bend your elbows going down. Inhale, upward facing dog, stretch. And exhale, downward facing dog, full body stretch. Bend one knee at a time. And we're gonna go to the other side. So just bringing the left leg to the front. Staying fast, just moving side to side, moving forward and back. Bouncing maybe a few times. Releasing tension from the hip on the left side and the right as well. And now stay on your right hand, lifting the left arm up to the sky. Twist towards the left, looking up. Exhale, reach this arm forward and back down. Keep the right knee now on the mat. Inhale, open the left knee even more if possible. Stretch here. And exhale, now you can stay here on your hands. Or you can go even lower on your forearms to the full lizard pose, whatever feels good for you. Just remember to listen to your body, to go slowly, breathing deeply. Feel the stretch as well on the right quadricep here. Hold and breathe. Slowly lifting up and lifting your whole upper body up. Open your arms wide to both sides. Push your chest forward. And lifting your arms up. Inhale. Exhale and open. Feel the love. Open to love. Open to peace. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands on the mat. Push your hips now to the back. Sit on your sit bones. Now the left leg is straight and the right knee is bent. So the right heel is just next to your right glute here. Holding here, you can stay on your hands. You can go lower on your forearms. Try also to keep your knees close to each other. Try not to allow them to open too much. Or you can go fully down. Whatever feels good for you here. If you feel any intense pain, just go up. If this posture is not comfortable for you, you can do the same lying down on your belly and bringing your heel to your glute. Relax here and connect. Surrender. And then slowly lifting your upper body up, stepping on your left foot, supporting through your hands and lifting the right leg up to the sky. Keep the leg straight, point the toes, engage, lifting up even more if you can. And exhale, going down, relax, release. Going back to forward fold. Stay here, again, surrender. Coming closer and closer to the earth. Inhale, halfway look up. And exhale, now bend your knees and go fully down. Go now to just stay on your glutes, hands behind you. And now lifting your right and left knee off the mat. Keep your knees bent, keeping your toes pointed. You can stay with your hands down, or you can lift them off the mat. Reaching the arms to the front, staying in this beautiful boat pose. Imagine you're just sailing on the ocean, keeping your core strong. You can straighten the legs if you want to, a little challenge. And slowly release. Move it down. Lying down now on your back, keeping your knees bent. And first, just bring your knees close to you, give them a big hug. Stretch your toes, stretch your ankles a little bit. Move your body side to side. And then place the feet down on the mat. And we're gonna lift straight to bridge pose. Interlace the fingers underneath your glutes, lifting your hips higher. Engage your glutes, holding here, breathing deeply. If you wanna go for a challenge, lifting the right leg up to the sky. Hold it here, and then back down, stretch it front. Let's try on the other side, lifting the left leg up, point the toes, hold it, lift it up. Exhale, bend the knee and letting go. One more time, reach your hips higher and let go. And now keep your feet together, keep your knees open like a butterfly. Just grab your feet from the outside, moving side to side. Feel the opening in your hips. Breathing deeply, try never to hold your breath. And let go. Straighten now your right leg up to the sky. Left leg is resting on the floor. Flex your toes and then point. Play here a little bit with your toes, with your ankle. If you want, you can bring this leg even closer to you. Even closer. Feel the stretch. And now bend the knee and move this knee all the way to the left. So you're going to a spinal twist. So you can keep the knee bent, or you can also keep the leg straight if you want. If you keep it straight, just support it with your left hand. Relax. Keep connecting with your breath, stretching your glute now. And slowly back to the center. Straighten this leg down on the mat and bending the left knee. So keep the left knee close to you and straighten the leg up to the sky. Point and flex a few times up and down. You can even lift your upper body off the mat to bring it closer to your knee. and let go. Bend the knee now, bring it all the way to the right, or you can also straighten this leg, supporting with your right hand now. Twisting your left shoulder and your head towards the left. Full body twist. Amazing for digestion. Amazing for moving these energies throughout the body. Keep breathing here. And slowly let go. Bring the knee back up. Hug the knee one more time. And then straighten both of your legs. Just making yourself comfortable for our final relaxation in Shavasana. Now if you want, you can grab a blanket to keep yourself warm. Make yourself comfortable and just stay in stillness now. Taking deep breath in through your nose and full breath out, releasing through your mouth, totally letting go. Connecting with your breath. Connecting with your body. Your whole body is relaxed right now. Just let yourself rest. Offer yourself the space of relaxation. Connecting to the elements, knowing that your body is made of elements. Embracing the water within, the flow, the changes. Embracing the fire within, the light of love burning inside you. This energy that is making the sun burn is also present within you, the life energy. Connecting to the air, expressing gratitude for the oxygen, the air that you breathe every day to live. Expressing gratitude for your breath. And the earth as a part of you, as your sacred home, as this energy of safety and grounding within you. Just stay here and now, connecting and enjoying. you want, keep staying there, relaxing more and more, and slowly getting ready for sleep. Or if you want, you can just start moving your toes, moving your fingers, stretching your arms over your body. And just slowly, slowly, whenever you're ready, no rush. Going back to sitting on your sit bones with your spine straight and your knees open. Feel the flow of the energy from the front and the back. Feel the calm, the bliss, the connection that you can feel after yoga. One more time, stretch your arms up to the sky, surround yourself with love. And exhale, just bring your hands down to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was also a very special practice for you. Please leave a comment or like this video to support me, support this channel. Thank you for your presence here. I really appreciate it. And I'm wishing you a peaceful and blissful evening and night. Namaste. Gracias.